The 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE Dynamic Lux. Debuting for the 2016 model year, the 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport has revived Land Rover's entry-level segment. Basically replacing the ancient LR2, the Disco Sport brings new life to the brand thanks to shared architecture and a powertrain from the more upscale 2013 to 2015 Land Rover Range Rover. But things are getting even better. Bowing at the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show is the Discovery Sport HSE Dynamic Lux. This range-topping version injects more oomph into the baby disco's rhythm. Swanky exterior modifications that include gloss black finishings add a sinister appeal to the SUV's classy appearance. New colors and materials grace the interior, making the cabin a more luxurious place. What's more, the Discovery Sport HSE Dynamic Lux has upgrades beyond its appearance. Yep, the SUV is debuting a new off-road traction aid that is rolled into Land Rover's highly regarded terrain response system. Called All-Terrain Progress Control, the software acts like a low-speed cruise control, helping the driver navigate even the toughest off-road situations. We've seen a similar system on a few Toyota products, namely the 2014 Toyota 4Runner and all-new 2016 Toyota Tacoma. Like Toyota's Crawl Control, the Discovery's ATPC holds the vehicle's speed between 1 and 19 miles per hour, depending on the driver's settings and the terrain. The system also features a low traction launch function that keeps the tires from breaking loose on slick surfaces like ice or wet grass. The Land Rover's heritage might be off-road performance, but the new Dynamic Lux package also brings active dynamics with Magnaride dampers. The variable stiffness dampers give the Disco an uncanny on-road feel and sports car-like handling. Continue reading to learn more about the Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE Dynamic Lux. Exterior. The Dynamic Lux package brings a new flair to the Discovery Sport's appearance, which isn't too far a departure from the Range Rover evokes. The platform mates already share a lot, but with these upgrades, the Discovery Sport has a decidedly trendier appeal. From the grille to the Discovery lettering along the hood, the murdered-out look prevails. Black accents are littered around the exterior. From the grille to the Discovery lettering along the hood, the murdered-out look prevails. Besides the main grille and badging, the Discovery Sport's front has black accenting on the fog light surrounds, the lower grille, and center chin splitter. The fender vents and side mirrors continue the trend along the side, complemented by the black roof and A-pillars. Glossy black 20-inch wheels contrast nicely with the flat black fender flares that carry over unchanged from the standard Discovery Sport. Around back, the glossy theme continues, with black accenting between the taillights and along the bumper. Blacked-out D-pillars tie in the black roof. About the only shiny items on the vehicle are the two integrated chrome exhaust tips. All told, the Discovery Sport HSE Dynamic Lux takes the entry-level Land Rover and turns it into something special. Range Rover Evoque owners will be jealous. Interior. Matching the exterior, the interior receives some welcome updates. The first bits to catch the eye are the red-hued aluminum accents on the center stack, the gearshift knob, and the steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters. Matching the red metal accents is red French stitching throughout the cabin. It's on the dashboard, center armrest, steering wheel, and seats. Speaking of the seats, the black leather is not only contrasted by the red stitching, but also by red piping that travels the perimeter of the seats. The second row bench is treated to the same theme. Aside from the color differences, the interior is no different than the standard Discovery Sport. The minimalist style is ergonomic and contemporary. Sadly, the complaint I had during my test drive of the 2015 Discovery Sport still holds true: the gearshift knob takes up too much valuable real estate, despite its stately appearance. Drivetrain. The Dynamic Lux package brings no changes to the Discovery Sport's existing powertrain. That means it comes powered by the same 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that makes 240 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque. The transversely mounted inline-4 is mated to a ZF 9-speed automatic transmission. The Dynamic Lux package brings no changes to the Discovery Sport's existing powertrain. The Discovery Sport's run to 60 miles per hour will likely remain unchanged as well, so expect a 7.8-second run. The top speed is also likely unchanged at 124 miles per hour. Nevertheless, the Discovery Sport still boasts the upgraded all-terrain progress control software and the Magnaride shock absorbers. Besides giving the Land Rover an adjustable ride, the Magnaride dampers help keep normal roads and driving conditions under control. Using sensors on each wheel, a computer monitors the road conditions and provides real-time adjustments to the dampers, helping to smooth out the ride. The driver-selectable dynamic mode furthers the excitement by increasing throttle response, gearshift speeds and hardness, and steering feel. Of course, the Discovery Sport couldn't be a Land Rover without the terrain response system. Offering multiple settings for various terrains and environments, the terrain response system changes how power is delivered to each wheel, whether the center and or rear differentials are locked, and how the electronic stability control and ABS systems behave. Safety. The Land Rover Discovery Sport offers all the modern safety features like airbags, crumple zones, head restraints, and the like. The SUV also offers the typical crash avoidance systems like ABS, electronic stability control, and roll mitigation. Also included is emergency braking assist that increases braking power during a panic stop. While neither the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration nor the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety has tested the Discovery Sport for its crashworthiness, the Euro NCAP rated the Discovery Sport at 5 stars. Prices. Land Rover has yet to release pricing for the HSE Dynamic Lux package, but its suspected prices will begin around $60,000. Competition. 2015 greater than Porsche Macan S. Like the Cayenne to the Range Rover, the Macan S rivals the Land Rover Discovery Sport quite well. Though the Dynamic Lux package helps dress up the Disco, the Porsche still outpowers the Land Rover thanks to its twin turbocharged V6 that makes 340 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. AWD is present, but the Land Rover takes the cake for fun in the dirt. Pricing-wise, the Macan S starts around $50,000 and can break into the $70,000 realm with all the option boxes checked. Read our full review of the Macan S by Porsche exclusive here. 2015 BMW X3. Like the Porsche, the BMW X3 favors good driving performance over the ability to traverse rock-strewn riverbeds. Still, AWD makes the X3 a capable handler in adverse weather conditions. The BMW is powered by a variety of engine options, the closest match to the Discovery being the 2.0-liter i4 that produces 240 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. Prices for the X3 begin at $40,000 and range into the lower $50,000 with all the available features. Read our full review here. Conclusion. Both the cosmetic and mechanical upgrades the Dynamic Lux package brings to the 2016 Discovery Sport help solidify the SUV's place as a true Land Rover offering, while coming nicely equipped at an expectedly reasonable price. After all, it's not often a vehicle combines such good on-road performance with class-leading off-road abilities. That's especially true in today's market of high-riding wagons dressed as crossovers. Love its smart new looks, new traction and suspension tech, least expensive Land Rover on steroids. Leave it 20-inch wheels, not for off-roading, not power upgrades, likely expensive despite its place in the lineup.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.